Understanding, to take the heat off. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, specifically focusing on to take the heat off. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers use imagery and language to express complex ideas in a simple way. Stick around as we unravel the meaning and usage of this colorful expression. To take the heat off is an idiom that means to relieve pressure or reduce criticism directed at someone. The heat in this expression metaphorically represents the intense scrutiny, criticism, or stress someone might be experiencing. By taking it off, the phrase suggests making a situation more manageable or less stressful for that person. This can involve diverting attention away from them, resolving the underlying issue, or providing support to ease their burden. While the exact origins of "to take the heat off" are not clear, it's rooted in the imagery of removing something hot from someone's proximity to provide relief. This expression draws on the physical sensation of heat as a metaphor for scrutiny or pressure. Over time, it has become a popular way to describe the act of alleviating stress or criticism in both personal and professional contexts. To better understand "to take the heat off," let's look at a few examples. 1. In the workplace, imagine a team member made a mistake that upset a client. The team leader might step in to handle the situation, taking the heat off the team member and giving them space to regroup and focus on their work without the added pressure. 2. In personal relationships, if someone is going through a tough time and facing criticism from others, a friend might come forward to defend them or shift the conversation, effectively taking the heat off and providing emotional support. 3. In public figures, celebrities or politicians often face public scrutiny. Their PR teams work to take the heat off by addressing controversies directly or redirecting media attention to more positive stories. To take the heat off is a vivid expression that highlights the English language's capacity for creativity and nuance. Whether it's in a professional setting, personal life, or the public eye, understanding and using idioms like this can enrich your communication skills and help you connect more deeply with others. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and uses of "to take the heat off," and that you feel more confident incorporating it into your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.